Bachelor's of Nursing Science. All nurses are beautiful and handsome people. Yeah, they have a slogan, save one life, you're a hero. Nursing is caring. Yeah, that's slogan. Nursing is caring. So to study nursing science in National Open University, your admission must be through direct entry. That's the current requirement as of this year, 2022. There used to be 100 level entry requirements, but it was scrapped in 2021. Okay, so these are the courses for your first semester, 200 level. You have two electives, CSS 111 and Pool 111. So if you fail one and maybe could not retake it until your final year, you may still be a graduate. That's how it works. Well, one per semester is enough. So anyway, assuming you register all, so you will have to pick some courses from 100 level, especially the GST courses. So that's why you had to pick CSS 111 and this Pool 111. So they are electives from 100 level. So you've picked about 5 courses from 100 level for this first semester. So at second semester, you also pick a few other 100 level second semester courses and add. So these are specifically for 100 level and 200 level. You are combining the two, and that's why you are seeing 38 credit units here. So this is the most recent course outline. Initially, this NSc 203 used to be 3 units, now it's 4. So anyway, here are the fees. The fee for course material, we call it course registration fees. These amounts, 2,005 for 3 units, 3,000 for 4 units and above, and 2,000 for 2 units or 1 unit course. Add exam fee to that, you will get a total of this for each course. Exam fee is a flat fee of 1,000 naira. So put them together, you get all this, and they all amount to 85,000 for this. And that is also because of this 36,000 first compulsory fee. From second semester, it will become 18,000 onwards. Every semester 18,000, every semester 18,000. So that's it for first semester 200 level. So we go to second semester 200 level, and these are your courses, very few. So what you do is, from those 38 credit units in first semester, you register a maximum of 24. If the portal allows you to register more than that, fine. However, 24 is the standard, 24 credit units. So if you register 24 units and about 14 will be left from that 38, here you add 4, then 10 will be left. In future semesters, you'll be bringing in the ones left from that first semester, 200 level. You bring in the credit units of some courses left, you add them up to make it complete it 24. And you find out that before your first semester 400 level, you must have cleared all your courses. Unless you have some carryovers that will make it reach 400 second semester, then 500. You'll be able to clear everything from 500 level. So these are your fees. Second semester compulsory fee is now 18,000, and your fee has also reduced literally half of what you paid in first semester. So that's it for 200. 300 level first semester. These are your courses. They are all compulsory. That's why you're seeing this 19, which there are 90 credits units you have carried. That you have registered. That means you have registered. That's the ones you have carried are the ones you have registered. You're expected to pass the whole 19. This is your fee. Well calculated, a total of 38,500 for that. Then 300 level second semester. These are your courses. You have just 302, and you also have a practicum here. It's like your IT too. So that's your practicum there, and the total cost is 46,500. You sum everything up, you get 46,500. There are 27 units. If you pick the remaining ones and then take it forward in the future semesters. Okay, so you have 17 units here. So a lot of spaces here. A lot of unused credit units. 24 minus 17, you have like 6, 24, 7. So you have 7 unused credit units. You can bring any other ones left from previous semesters and add them here, making it 24. Then head to head, you keep moving. This 400 level first semester, and then we move to 400 level second semester. This one is 18. 24 minus 18, you have 6, right? So good. You have another practicum here. That's how nursing works. Another practicum. Then you go to final year. 500 level first semester. And these are your courses. You have 25 units. You might just keep one out of it. You will know how to fix it when you get there though. If you have any carryover, you replace one with one, make it 24 or 23 or even 22 anyway. Take the other one to the next semester. There will definitely be a space, usually, which is the final semester. You see you have 17. You still have like 3, 4, 7 units left. Unused units. You added clear them up, and here's your project, 15,000 for your project fee, and a total of 47,000. If everything went well for you, and these are the courses you're supposed to register, and this is how you're supposed to register them. Sometimes you might even register your project in first semester. It depends. Anyway, it's not always like that. But usually, according to standard, you must have done research methods in 300 level before registering a project. Okay, and you probably passed it though. So here we have total credits required. Yes, I had to remove that word minimum because it has been confusing a lot of people. When they say minimum, some people wouldn't like to take any further exam. They just want to collect their certificates. Minimum here means, total has been removed. What we have here now is total credits required for you to be awarded a degree in this program is 180, which means there is no chance of failure. There's no chance of failure. If you fail more than one course, you may not be allowed to graduate. One course may be waived for you. Let's say it's 180, but you were able to get 188, 189. You might be allowed to graduate. But anything less than that, it may be troublesome some way. They may bring you back for the next semester. So that's it.